Man, thank you guys for the love. I mean, eshitugata kuba wamu as artists. Yes. Era njagala kwebaza buli Zekura Spice. Just not a Zekura Spice, or for the industry. And this means so much. Yeah. Pastor Mugembe. We have Pastor Mugembe. Oh my God! Jesus, guys, this is not a launch. This is an EP release party. But to have you guys, all of you guys here, before I forget, guys, yeah, I want to call this lady on stage, yeah. I want to call the queen herself. Please, banange nzikirizato alomu msagono. Ajewano katono nyoni no mugambo wange butini bwenjagalo mugamba, and I would like to say it in front of you guys. Yes, but please, I need next to the queen herself. Please, let me have her. Just sigena twala budebwe bungi nnyo. Just kubanga namukubira akasimu nga mutegeeza omuwaka invitation kange. Nanambaka Spice, I'll be there. Well, I took it like a joke because I know these days buli muyimbi is so busy with a lot of things. Naye kubanga yasazeewo nagamba bannange, let me go and support ka Spice. Oh my God, it means a lot. You guys know what I'm saying, right? As she's coming on stage. This is a dream come true. I mean, we will take our name. And this is amazing. I mean, it means a lot. As she's coming. You look so amazing. I love you so much. Let me tell you guys, she's one of my mentors, yeah? Yeah, the negative media has been trying to spoil that, but it's not gonna change. It's not gonna change. I love you so much. And thank you for changing our industry. Thank you for what you do for the women. I mean, for all of us. I love you so much, so much. And thank you for honoring my invitation. Come on, guys, say somebody, guys. You want to say something? Oh, I don't know. This makes me so nervous. Hi, Spice. This is beautiful. Man, for me, moments like this as a woman, they make me so happy. Because I'm a feminist. I'm not a fake feminist, but a real feminist. So I really love moments like these. I've had so many of my fellow artists in the big building. I've seen the males. I've seen so many around you. But man, it's Spice's night. Congratulations. I see you. I came here to tell you that I see you. I respect you. I respect your hustle. Yeah. I came here to tell you that I know the males in the industry started this by dividing the females so that they can keep winning. But now they can't do that again. We are going to unite together. We are going to support each other. I'm here today for you. Everybody's here today for you. I can't wait for the day I can do anything you would want me to do. I'm here, and I hope you know that I'm here. Thank you so much for inviting me. Guys, it's Spice's night. Let me hear say, female future is now. The female is now. Thank you so much. I love you so much, Spice. Thank you for this moment. Good night, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much, Empalana Sheeba Karungi. This means a lot to my career. It means so much. I love you, Sheeba, and I don't take this moment for granted forever in my life. Thank you so much. I want to thank once again every artist that made it tonight to this. It's not a concert like I've said, but thank you for making it so big.